always a quest to find the newest technology in video games.
With us being a new channel, we really appreciate your support. So do us a favor and like, subscribe, share, and comment below. And here we go.
Hey friends, welcome to Quest for Tech. Today we're checking out the newly upgraded K17 Pro cordless vacuum from MOOSOO. Now, if you're unfamiliar with MOOSOO, they're a technology company that makes high quality products that can improve our quality of life at the lowest cost possible. MOOSOO believes that there can be quality home appliances that don't break the bank. The K17 Pro is on sale for $179.99 on Amazon. Now that's a price that shouldn't break the bank. So let's see if it lives up to the high quality that MOOSOO is known for. Let's take a quick look at what comes in the box. So in the box you get the MOOSOO stick vacuum cleaner, you get the motorized turbine floor brush, the LED lighting crevice nozzle, the light aluminum alloy tube, you get an electric sofa brush, a 2-in-1 brush, an AC power adapter, the wall mounting bracket, a stretchable hose, and a sponge filter set. The K17 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner is a 6-in-1 ultra quiet handheld vacuum. Now 6-in-1 means that you'll get 6 different attachments in one vacuum, giving you a variety of ways to clean. Let's check out some of those ways that you can clean with the K17 Pro. The square brush and hose, which is great for the car. The Tube Plus LED motorized brush, which is the most common way to vacuum, being upright. The square brush plus tube for walls and curtains, the crevice nozzle brush, which is great for getting deep into couches, the square brush, which is great for car seats, floors, and inside of drawers, and finally the electric sofa brush, which is great for getting sofa pillows and seats. You get a 2200 milliamp large capacity battery that takes about 3 hours to fully charge. Once the vacuum is fully charged, you'll get a range of 30 to 40 minutes. The range is pretty wide because the vacuum has 2 power modes for the suction. If you're using high power mode on a thicker rug, you'll likely get a running time that's closer to that lower end. Whereas if you're using the vacuum on the lower power mode on a thinner rug or floor, the time should scale closer to the 40-minute runtime. We got 30 minutes on average doing moderate vacuuming on a mix of thick rugs, thin rugs, and wood floors. Speaking of thick and thin rugs, as mentioned earlier, the K17 Pro does have 2 suction modes, 11 kPa and 24 kPa. For both modes, the suction is pretty good for the price and for the smaller size of the vacuum. A few times we had to go over the spot once or twice just to make sure everything was picked up. But that doesn't mean that this is not a powerful stick vacuum. It is. We have a more expensive upright vacuum that struggles to clean these thicker, fluffy area rugs, but the MOOSOO clean the same type of rugs easily on the first pass. Now this did drain the battery a little faster, but we were using it on max power on a pretty thick rug. Even while using the vacuum on the high suction power, the K17 Pro still remains fairly quiet at under 68 decibels, which should be low enough to keep the kids or the pets asleep. The K17 Pro is great for daily use. It will work in a variety of places and help you complete various jobs. It weighs 9.18 pounds at the most with the largest tube attached, but it feels really light in hand compared to many other vacuums. We were easily able to reach upper ceiling corners, stairs, and under furniture. The K17 Pro even comes with a cool LED slit nozzle, so you can easily vacuum in dark corners and under beds or couches. The electric sofa brush was really good at getting small debris off the couch, while the Hose Plus 2-in-1 brush was super convenient for using it to quickly vacuum the car out. The Tube Plus LED motorized brush is the main way we use the K17 Pro. The 4 LED lights on the front light up floors, corners, and under furniture, while the motorized brush does a great job at getting less tangled hair. The K17 Pro uses a cyclonic filtration system that captures allergens and purifies air to improve your living environment. It removes up to 99.99% of microscopic dust particles, as small as 0.1 microns. The K17 Pro comes with 2 HEPA filters, so you'll have one for your first replacement. They are washable and can easily be detached. MOOSOO recommends that you replace your HEPA filters by cleaning them once or twice a month. After using the MOOSOO K17 Pro for the past week, we're really happy with it. The lightweight size and the overall design of the vacuum is great, and the 6 different ways you can clean by using the included attachments are all very easy to use and super convenient. We still have our expensive and very heavy upright vacuum, but the MOOSOO K17 Pro is quickly becoming our first choice when vacuuming. We love it. 4 stars. We'd like to thank MOOSOO for sending us the K17 Pro to check out. Our floors and carpets are looking really clean. If you'd like to try out the K17 Pro, click the link in the description. And friends, today you can use this code and get yourself a nice discount. Well, that's the video for today, friends. Thanks so much for questing with us. Do us a huge favor and like the video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And go ahead and click the bell icon so you're notified when we drop our next video. Everyone, thanks so much for questing with us. You all are truly the best. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay safe and never stop questing. Peace.